A person named Bishwakumar Debbarma from Bhagavan Chaudhary under Lefunga block passed away while undergoing treatment at the GB hospital. EM Runal Debbarma gave a helping hand to the deceased family on Saturday. It is learned that Bishwakumar Debbarma was going through a medical treatment at GV Hospital in the past few days. However, he passed away throughout the treatment. On Saturday, EM Runal Debbarma gave a helping hand to the deceased family. EM Runal Debbarma also promised to give free education for the deceased two children at Khumphui Academy.
Bishwakumar Debbarma, amo Bhagavan Chaudhary Village Council in Bising Khobjak, ngoro workdin sikang GV bo langma choka nge tini bini family be phai malai teke bini khorok tam serai tamo masasala te mangni bri okay te amuno tabung 13 din phainai pon poidering amu 4 tarik ambogino 13 din khaine bagi singoro tong kai ti promo thatin chairman bo tong senior bo tong bindara prabo tong mu nge sing joto millar kisimi 13 din bai chola phina
এমনি সিরে রকে পড়ি তো তুমি যতন
serai masa class 7 puri tamo nge tai kusu beri tamo beri tamo nge tai masa angkai serai kho ngabono tabu phaine bosoro ko bono komo phaiman baike chuba chu khaiman mo naine bini nanu song bini ma somoy ko salai kesen chuba nai bin family
Bureau report Chini Khorang.